Tonight's agenda, Solidworks introduction to. Today we're going to look at creating an assembly drawing. I do have some things that I need to evaluate as part of the college's initiative, and so there's a pretest for assembly drawing, and it's located under quizzes and exams. And then yours might look a little bit different, but it's this assembly drawing pretest. And it's a pretest, so the idea is that the students take the pretest and you just put what you think. You don't, there is not a grade assigned to this. In fact, um, we're going to give a post test, and so at the post test we can then see if there was an improvement based on the lessons that are in the assembly drawing. So there's just 10 questions. Do the 10 questions. Again, you don't need to do well on it. You just need to take it so I can have the data. And then I'll make another video for assembly drawing, and that will be our agenda for tonight. And that completes this video.